from one of our greatest epics, Mahabharata. In today's play, Raja Mayuradwaja shows us a perfect nirvachanam for the sukti Paropakaratam idam shariram. Paropakaratam idam shariram. Quite literally translate to this body of ours is meant to serve others. So let's put a round of applause and welcome them. After their victory in the war, the Pandavas, as a part of Ashwamedha Yagam, have released the chosen horse so that it might take its own course across the length and breadth of the land. Whoever stopped and bound the horse was thereby challenging Yudhishthira. Now, let us see Arjuna and Krishna in conversation.
Krishna, oh Madhusudana, oh Keshava, where are you?
You were looking for me, Arjuna?
Oh Madhava, there is something I have been meaning to ask you in a long while.
Go ahead, Arjuna.
Evam satata yuktaye bhaktasvam parayupasate ye chapyaksharam avyaktam desham ke yoga vittamaha. Oh Krishna, who is considered to be more superior? Those who are properly engaged in your devotional service or those who worship the impersonal Brahman, the unmanifested?
I will put your doubts to rest, Arjuna. Maya veshamano yemam nitya yukta upasate shraddhaya parayo petah te me yukta tama amataha. Those who, fixing their mind in me, are constantly engaged in my worship, endowed with supreme faith, are superior yogis, in my opinion.
Janardana, could you show one such great bhakta?
Yes, Arjuna, he is none other than Raja Mayuradwaja.
Raja Mayuradwaja has held the horse Divya Ashwam. Raja Mayuradwaja has held the horse Divya Ashwam.
Mayuradwaja?
Oh Arjuna, Mayuradwaja is a Dharmatma and one of my greatest bhaktas. He is the answer to your question.
Oh Parandama, I have also received news that my men are unable to handle Mayuradwaja in the Yuddham.
Though Mayuradwaja knows that I am on the side of the Pandavas, he did not step back from the Yuddham following Kshatriya Dharmam. Neither your Gandivam nor my Sudarshana Chakram can harm this Mahabhakta. We must be careful while fighting with him.
Bhagwan Sri Krishna wanted to demonstrate to Arjuna the devotion of Mayura Dwaja which far surpassed his own, and also desired to proclaim to the whole world the heights that Mayura Dwaja could reach in the realm of self-sacrifice and truthfulness. So Bhagwan decides to take Arjuna to King Mayura Dwaja's palace in the guise of a prayer of Brahmins. Let us see what happens in the palace of Mayura Dwaja.
चित्तरञ्जनं सदैव नन्दनन्दनं
Hari Om.
O Swamis, welcome. Swamis, please accept my Atityam and bless me. Raja, we don't have time for that. There is a big problem. After solving that only, we can think about other things. Swami, please tell me what is your difficulty. I will try my best to solve it. If required, I am ready to give away my life. Raja, when we were coming through the forest bordering your kingdom, a tiger caught my friend's son and ate him. After it ate half of his body, Akashavani said that if we get half Shariram of Raja Mayura Dwaja and give it to the tiger, then we will get back the child.
So we came here to ask you to give me Putra Bhiksham. Oh Raja, please give me Putra Bhiksham.
Aha, I became a Dhanya. My body is being used to save the life of a small baby. What more do I want? Swami, please don't think. Cut me into two and give half of my body to the tiger.
called upon his Bharya and Putra to cut him into two. Though they didn't want to, but knowing that the king ordered, in order to do a Divya Karyam, they started to cut him into half.
Govinda, they have started to cut him up. Please do something before it gets too late.
Arjuna, please don't worry, wait and watch.
While Sri Krishna and Arjuna, dressed up as Brahmins, were witnessing the whole scene unfolding before their eyes, they saw water drops falling from the left eye of Mayuradhwaja. Please watch Krishna's Leela in action to show the greatness of Mayuradhwaja to others.
Raja, only if one gives with Purna Manastrupti and Santosham, then it is Tyagam. If you are sad, then you need not give. If you shed tears by seeing the pain of others, it is Divyatvam. Whereas if you shed tears seeing yourself in pain, it is Naichyam. Moham is the reason for this. I cannot accept anything given with tears. Stop it.
Swami, I am not feeling sad to give my body. If I am unwilling or hesitating, both eyes should shed tears, shouldn't they? Only the left eye is shedding them now, and the reason is this. The right half is being used for a highly sacred purpose, to save a person from cruel death. But what will happen to the left half? Cast away to be eaten by dogs and vultures. My right half is jubilant that it is being put to some meritorious purpose, but my left half is weeping.
केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे.
Krishna, you have opened my eyes. He is indeed one of your greatest bhaktas.
Putra Mayuradhwaja, rise. You have my blessings. So does your Bharya and Putra.
This way, Raja Mayuradhwaja showed his devotion to Bhagwan by willing to sacrifice his physical body for others' benefit, in keeping with Bhagwan Sri Krishna's teachings. With Bhagwan's blessings, Raja Mayuradhwaja is remembered till now as the Dwaja Stamba that we will see in temples. Thanks for watching. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.